Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946. This is the new, totally redesigned Grady-White 2018 Fisherman 236. This is a 23-foot boat, but it really feels so much bigger. It has a huge beam, lots of seating, 2 live wells, tons of rod storage, and as you can see in the back, it's powered by a single 300 Yamaha V6 engine, and it has an extended swim platform which virtually makes it a 25-foot boat. If you have any questions, contact me anytime at 305-389-4946.